Getting some early nibs. Right on dawn. Can we capitalize this time? Looks fantastic out there. Line's going left. Everything's pushing left today. Interesting. That shouldn't hurt me because the reef's probably on the right side, so there's gonna be some snags though. Mine keeps straightening. I think we might get a massive zing today. It's looking that way. We're right on the right time as well. It is pushing way left. Just starting, so today hopefully though, yeah, pretty mean. It has been so hit and miss lately, it is not funny, and I'm not talking hits, all I'm talking is misses. But we're in no rush. Here comes sunrise. What a story. Definitely going to the Old Faithful next time. This one, nah. Not a fan. Can't do 3 shots on a new moon run and just get nothing. Like, I mean nothing, not even a herring. First fish I've got here in 3 days is blowy. Skunk. Nearly here. Not snagged. Cleaned up. But not snagged. Oh, I'm getting very close to running out of ideas. What do you mean? I've already run out of ideas. This is the Hail Mary. Who knows? Not me. Who knows? Mom knows. I can't believe how barren it is today. Shocking. I might have to get this one out and straighten up. We're not going to get the big zing today. Tell you what, it's not through lack of effort. We have tried and tried and tried. They just don't want to know us. And now I'm on my other line. I have one more in us here. If we don't get stuck, which is a huge chance we're stuck here. Supposed to be good, but whenever I've had a nor'wester come in or nor'easter like this, it hasn't been great. So I think it's not the right conditions, even though it's a new moon.
Yeah.
So we've
Today, hey?
yeah. So I think the last couple of days have been probably the best, but they just have nothing's hooked up.
Well, it's like luck of the draw, really, isn't it? You know.
Yeah.
All the preparation, the conditions are right, then you don't get anything sometimes.
Oh yeah. Tell you what, there's been bugger all. It's very, but the start of summer felt weird. In December.
A bit late, sort of.
Yeah. So maybe it's all going to start kicking off in Feb. You just don't know. Good on you, man. You too. May have lost one set of hooks. Oh, we got the hooks back. Did we? Yes. Big bait was on, little bait got off. And our ball sinker broke off there, eh? Swig of courage. Nip of courage, did I say? That might be us. Go. Stop moving. At this point, I'm just dejected. We're getting little nibs, maybe. Here comes that cloud. Look how low it is. It's like mega low. Oh, big bite. That was a chonk. Come on, baby. Nah. Yeah. Back. Let's go. Thinking about it, aren't you? They're either not here yet or I'm doing something wrong. Oh! They're on this time. Oh! He's zinging. Don't break off. This is where you test all your gear. Feeling head shakes. He zinged all right. We're getting head shakes. He wants to break off. He's angry as. Come on, please. Just remember what you've been doing. There's a lot of reef out there we've got to pull through now. Don't get stuck. Giving it our best shot. Still hanging on. Feels size. Feels decent size. Oh, head shakes. We're getting the shakes. He's coming in. Don't snag me. This could be a beautiful fish. Doesn't feel like a stingray because of the head shakes and the way it bit. Could this be our first pinky of the summer? He's straightening. I'm thinking pinky. Oh, more head shakes. Oh. Big head shakes. He's trying to spit it out. Don't lose it. Had one on a week or two ago and hook unraveled, so I'm really hoping I got the rig right this time. Head shake city. Must only be 50 meters out. I've got to pull him over this reef. Don't get snagged. Head shakes. Oh, he wants to go again. Gotta be close now. I think I've passed all the reef. Oh, head shakes. It's here. What is it? It looks like a pinky. I think we got a snapper here, guys. It is. There he is, don't break off. He's trying to break off. It's a decent snapper. Yes! Yes! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh. Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! First pinky of the summer. Yes! We've done it.